Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Zoom. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcut to mute your audio or to mute your microphone. I am also going to show you a temporary way to unmute your audio or microphone. So if you're muted and you want to quickly say something in the meeting, but you don't want to have to go down and click on the mute button, or you don't have to remember the keyboard shortcut, there is a really easy way to temporarily unmute your audio that you will be using all the time in your Zoom meetings once you know how to do it. The mute button is located in the bottom left corner of the Zoom toolbar. If you do not see the toolbar, it auto-hides automatically, so just move your cursor and it'll pop up. You will see the mute button down there. Just click on mute and that will mute the audio or your microphone. So currently I am muted, so you will not be hearing me speaking. Just look for the red line to indicate that the audio is muted. Click it again and you will unmute the audio. If you hover your cursor over the mute button, you will see a keyboard shortcut appear. On a Mac, the keyboard shortcut to mute audio in Zoom is Shift Cmd A. On a PC, that's going to be Shift Ctrl A. So Shift Cmd A, because I'm on a Mac, that will mute the audio. And if I want to unmute the audio, I can also repeat that command, Shift Cmd A, and that will unmute the audio. If you want to temporarily unmute your audio without having to click on the button or without having to use the keyboard shortcut, press the spacebar on your keyboard for as long as you want to stay unmuted. As soon as you let go of the spacebar, you will go back to being muted. So I'm going to press it again. I'm going to press the spacebar. Now I'm able to talk. People can hear my audio. I'm going to let go of the spacebar, and now I'm back to being muted. So if you want to learn the keyboard shortcut to mute, it's Shift Cmd A on a Mac or Shift Ctrl A on a PC. But if you want to temporarily unmute yourself so you can speak something in a meeting but go right back to being on mute, just press and hold on the spacebar for as long as you want your microphone to be unmuted, let go, and it will go right back to being muted. My name is Mike Murphy. Press on the spacebar when you want to temporarily unmute yourself in Zoom. Cheers!